Today's businesses can expand internationally faster than ever thanks to technology. However, entering new markets without a clear strategy can lead to failure and waste valuable resources. So, to help you succeed, we've created a step-by-step blueprint for expanding your online business to a new market. So the first step in expanding internationally is by researching your target markets and ideal customers. Make sure to approach each new market expansion with a fresh perspective rather than merely copying your previous localization strategies or relying on intuition. Identify your target market based on informed insights and real-life data. For example, you can use tools like Weeklot to see where your global visitors come from and uncover important markets you're not already serving. Then once you determine your customer base, analyze their key pain points and how you can help. Research global and local competitors to understand their strengths and their weaknesses. So be sure to consider cultural, economic, and social factors impacting your target market's needs. By analyzing these factors and evaluating competitors, you can position your business to address pain points and capitalize on opportunities, which might differ from your strategy in other markets. The next step is to add your new market to your global marketing strategy. So the easiest and most efficient way to enter a market is by translating your website. Once your business reaches your target audience, thanks to your multilingual website, you can consider expanding your efforts through content marketing, language targeting for ads, and local partnership. But don't forget that global expansion is a continuous effort. So keep on analyzing your performance and adapting your strategy to sustain and accelerate your business growth in international markets. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're interested in learning more about Weeklot, check in the description below. See you in the next video.